Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a card featuring the brand new Autumn Splendor release, so let's get started. I decided to use the fun sentiments from Sweater Weather combined with the bold Botanicals floral set and some ink blending to create a crisp autumn evening scene. I started by blending carved pumpkin, seedless preserves, chipped sapphire, and black soot distress oxide ink onto a panel of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock. As you can see, I've recently re-inked my pads, so I blot off the excess ink on some scratch paper before bringing the ink blending tool onto my paper. You can find more of my ink blending tips and tricks in the link above. I switch back and forth between the colors until I have a smooth blend. I love the shades that the Seedless Preserves creates when it blends with yellow, orange, and blue shades. It's perfect for a crisp fall evening. I let the panel dry a bit and then splatter it with water. I let it dry completely and then place it in my MISTI. The Bold Botanical stamp set is a 6x8 silhouette set that uses 2 stamps for each flower, so you could stamp the stems in one color and then the flowers in a different color. I decided to keep it simple with silhouettes, so I stamped the stems with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder before stamping the flowers. The set is also labeled to make it easier to know which flowers line up together. I repeated the stamping across the bottom of the panel until I was happy with the layout. Finally, I added a fun sentiment from Sweater Weather. Sweater Weather is a great 6x8 set filled with autumn and fall sentiments in a variety of font styles, including one of my very favorite quotes from Anne of Green Gables. Once I was finished stamping and embossing, I used a Swiffer cloth to clean the powder from my powder tool off the panel. Then I placed it in my splatter box to add a little more sparkle and shine. I added some post-it tape over the sentiment to keep the sentiment easily legible, and then splattered the panel with black gouache, metallic gold paint, and shimmer spray. I did remove the post-it tape before adding the shimmer spray since that wouldn't cover up the sentiment like the black paint would. I let the panel dry completely and then adhered it to a top-folding card base to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. Be sure to check out the full Autumn Splendor release from Honeybee Stamps, and you'll find a link to shop above. Thanks so much for watching, have a wonderful day, and until next time, happy crafting! Bye!